Hello there, this is ready for lesson 1 for decodable story number 1. This is the story here. Alright, so in part 1, lesson number 1, we are going to build words that will show up in the story. Alright, so before we get started, I have my alphabet. Okay, which I told you about in the introductory video. And this is the only time you're really going to see all of the letters, because I'm going to be pulling what I need for each lesson, and rather than have it like this, which is kind of hard to maneuver, I'll just simply pull what I need from my alphabet chart. Alright, so to get started, the words that we're going to build all have something in common. They have the letter A. So we look at the alphabet strip and we see the A, and if I wanted to, I could trace over the A with my finger how I would make it. Same thing with the lowercase a here. Uppercase A, lowercase a. And we have a picture that goes with it. This is a picture of an apple. So the apple is a picture clue so that we will not forget the sound of this letter. The sound for the letter A is a, as in apple. So now we're going to go ahead and build words that will show up in the first story. And make sure I got everything here. These are the letters. You notice that some of the letters are uppercase letters. And then we have, of course, some lowercase letters. All right, let's go ahead and go over the sounds that these letters make. The letter A, as in apple. Then we have the letter C, k, D, d, M, N, S, and T, t. Let's go ahead now and build our words. Alright, so we're going to start off with using the A with the M. We can see A with an M, and so we have am. Alright, let's go ahead and use the A again. And let's add an N, but we're going to use a lowercase n instead of the uppercase N here. And so this word is an. So we're going to take an and we're going to put a letter in front of it. We're going to use this uppercase D. Now, instead of breaking this apart and going with d, n, we're not going to do that, because you should know that an is an. This right here is an, and all we're doing is adding a D, uppercase D, to make the name, because we have an uppercase letter, and letters, names start with capital letters, uppercase letters. Capital, uppercase letters are really the same thing. Dan. Ann. Dan. Alright, let's make another name. So we're going to use the uppercase N. And this is going to be somebody else's name. So we have the name of Dan, and instead of having the D here, we're going to have an N, uppercase N. And now, what is this name right here? What's this name? This is Nan. Nan. Okay, so are we done yet? Nope, we still have a couple of more to do. Okay, let's look at short A with a T. So we put those two letters together, A and T, and we get at. Get at. At. If we take this uppercase C, we're going to be creating another name. Okay, so let's take the C, and we have cat. Cat. And we have one more word. We're still going to use at, but we're going to use this lowercase s. And the sound for the S is S, and this is at, so we have sat. Sat. All right, let's go over these words and names because this will appear in our story. We have am, an. We have Dan, and that N needs to be a lot better than that. We have Nan. We have cat. And we have sat. These names and words will appear in our first story. So now we are ready to read the story. So that will be in lesson 2 for story number 1. All right, see you then.